Ever feel your car pulling to one side or your steering wheel just feels off? That's not just annoying. It could be a sign of poor tire alignment. Let's fix that. Here are some simple tips to keep your tire alignment in check and your ride smooth. Tip 1. Watch for steering pull. If your car drifts left or right without turning the wheel, your alignment may be off. Even a slight pull means your tires aren't tracking straight, and that leads to uneven tire wear and reduced control. Tip 2. Check tire wear patterns. Look closely at your tires. Are they worn more on one side? Uneven wear is a big clue that your alignment is off. Rotate your tires regularly and get them inspected every few months. Tip 3. Avoid hitting curbs and potholes. One hard hit on a curb or pothole can knock your wheels out of alignment. Drive cautiously and slow down over rough roads. Tip 4. Get regular alignments. A professional alignment check once a year or every 10,000 miles keeps your car running smoothly and saves your tires from early wear. Tip 5. Check your suspension. Your suspension plays a major role in alignment. If you hear clunks or feel instability on bumps, it may be time to get your suspension checked too. Bonus tip: keep tire pressure balanced. Low or uneven tire pressure can cause misalignment over time. Check your tire pressure monthly and keep it within the recommended range. Proper tire alignment isn't just about tire life, it's about safety, control, and comfort. So stay aligned, drive safe, and save money on your tires. Like, comment, and subscribe for more simple car care tips.